Well, as it stands, I kind of located my drone that I lost. I located it on the map, and it's inside of the Coney Island bus and train overhaul facility. So as it stands, I have to wait for NYPD to show up so they can clarify that it was not no type of terrorist. So they can clarify that it was no type of terrorist attack. What happened was the housing complex that I live in, the power shut off. The drone was in the air. The drone could not reconnect back to the remote, so it flew. The wind took it all the way over here on the other side, and it landed inside the maintenance yard of, I guess, the trains or the bus facility, and it's on one of the roofs of the building. So this is where I'm at right now. It's crazy, like really.